Shulini TV. News from the campus.
Hello, welcome back to the weekly Shulini TV bulletin where we get you the latest news straight from the campus. I am Risha with the 62nd edition of the bulletin. First, this week's headlines. Final year students to be back in the campus from August 3. University ranked number 1 in citation impact. Phase 1 of VE coaching program conducted. School of Law to organize national level meet on crime. And now the news in details. For more information on the reopening of the university campus for final year students, we have Dakshita with a report. Go ahead, Dakshita.
The university has announced that it was ready to welcome its final year undergraduate and postgraduate and PhD students back on the campus. The hostel and the campus will start functioning normally from July 31st strict COVID-19 protocols. The on-campus students will get access to hostels, library, sports facilities and cafe along with an average of 2 to 3 hours of face-to-face classes, practicals in the lab, workshops and much more. While a face-to-face induction program would be held on August 3, the classes will start from the next day. However, regular classes would be held only online so that students who can't come to the campus are not deprived of studies. Director Operation Brigadier S.D. Mehta has advised the student that before reporting to the campus, they must read all the guidelines carefully which are available on the official university app. At least one shot of COVID-19 vaccination is mandatory and so is the parents' consent.
Thanks, Dakshita. For the details, how it proves way for other students to also come to the campus at the earliest. We now have another good news to share. Ayushi has the details.
As per the latest reports of the leading international ranking agency Skyward, Shulini University has been ranked number 1 in citation impact among 120 universities located in the Himalayan region. These include universities from China, India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan. Congratulating the researchers and faculty members for the achievement, Chancellor Professor P.K. Khosla said that it is a milestone in the university's journey to be among the top 200 global universities. Out of the 120 universities located in the Himalayan region, 61 are in India, 47 in China, 4 in Bangladesh, 3 each in Nepal and Pakistan, and 1 in Bhutan and Afghanistan respectively.
Thanks, Ayushi. We now have Alisha going us news about a coaching program organized in the university.
The pilot phase of the VE coaching program began under the guidance of the university's Vice Chancellor, Professor Atul Khosla. He emphasized on the power of collaboration and stated that the sharing of learnings can only make the future of the world and the young generation succeed. The coaching program is aimed at to achieve a broader mission and vision of the institution in helping students discover their true potential. According to Ms. Payal Jindal Khanna, senior coach at the university, among others, Ms. Nelly Kabin, an international coach, addressed the students.
Great work, Alisha. Next up, we have news about the Law Department organizing a national webinar on crime. Go ahead, Kanupriya.
The School of Law will be conducting a 7-day online faculty development program on changing dimensions of crime and criminal justice in India. This is scheduled from August 2nd.
Thank you, Kanupriya. And now, as part of the contest on Life at Shulini, we bring you the video created by Mayank. Enjoy.
दिन की शुरुआत हमारी हॉस्टल के बिस्तर से हुआ करती थी। अलार्म रूममेट का होता था, लेकिन नींद हमारी खुल जाया करती थी। नींद खुलने के बाद इन हसीन वादियों में बादलों के बीच सुबह F ब्लॉक जिम में जाया करते थे। सेहत का कुछ खास ध्यान था नहीं, लेकिन दोस्तों के साथ जाया करते थे। जिम से आकर सुबह सुबह ग्रीन टी का एक कप हाथ में लिए पेरेंट्स को थैंक यू बोल दिया करते थे टू गेट एडमिशन इन दिस हेवन नेम शूलिनी यूनिवर्सिटी। सुबह फिर क्लासेस के लिए तैयार होना, क्लासेस लगाना दिन भर, फिर थोड़ा पढ़ लेने के बाद हम निकल जाया करते थे फ्रेंडशिप हॉटस्पॉट पर। डोंट यू नो व्हाट इट इज़? इट्स नेस्कैफ़े ब्रो। नेस्कैफ़े पर मनीष भैया के हाथ की आइस टी और प्लेन मैगी, ओहो हो, भाई साहब डेडली कॉम्बो हुआ करता था। इतना सब खा लेने के बाद थोड़ी एक्सरसाइज भी ज़रूरी है मेरे दोस्त। उसके लिए हम बैडमिंटन खेल लिया करते थे। खेलना कुछ खास आता नहीं था, मगर दोस्तों के साथ मज़ा आ जाया करता था। दोस्तों के बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन हो या फिर कॉलेज फेस्ट, शूलिनी के मौसम की बदलती करवटें, बारिश हो या फिर स्नोफॉल, कभी नहीं भूलूंगा मैं जब तक है जान, जब तक है जान।
रुको जरा, सब्र करो।
फिर शाम होने आई और मौसम ने ली अंगड़ाई। इसी तरह हम कैंपस से निकल जाया करते थे टू माई फेवरेट चिल जोन नेम GHS। आवाज़ कुछ खास थी नहीं, मगर जैमिंग फुल फील लेके किया करते थे। फिर थोड़ा डांस और गाने, मस्ती मजाक तो यूं ही चलता रहता था। इसी तरह हम सारा दिन से थक जाया करते थे और फिर सभी थक हार कर अपने हॉस्टल निकल जाया करते थे। और हॉस्टल जाते ही सबसे रिफ़्रेशिंग पता है क्या होता था? हॉस्टल का घर जैसा खाना जो हमारे सारे दिन की थकावट उतार दिया करता था। फिर खाना खाकर अपने अपने बिस्तर पर सो जाया करते थे। फिर अगली सुबह ऐसे ही रूममेट का अलार्म होता था और वो अलार्म हमारी नींद खोल दिया करता था। लेकिन सोने से पहले हमेशा खुद को इतना खुद नसीब माना है ना कि मैंने अपनी ज़िंदगी के 3 साल इस हेवन जिसका नाम शूलिनी यूनिवर्सिटी है इसमें बिताए।
Before we wrap up, here are the Radio Shulini programs presented by Gayatri.
Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. I'm here with the list of shows on Radio Shulini this week. First of all, we have Meri Kalam Se by RJ Manan, Badai Ho Viral Hua by RJ Nancy, Hafta Vasool by RJ Indu and Healthy Baate by RJ Bunny. All these shows are uploaded on My Shulini app, so hurry and go tune into these. And well, that's all for today. Thank you. Bye.
And with that, we come to an end of this week's bulletin. We will be back with some top and interesting news headlines in the next edition, as scheduled next Friday. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy.